starting to look like a Bronco. There it is. Hi, and welcome back. I think today's video, I'm shooting a day of, so hopefully it gets out before today ends, but we're gonna be putting on the kick panel. I may not be able to attach it all the way, but we'll get it on and get a few welds popped in it so it's not gonna move. And then I may come back in tomorrow and finish welding because I don't got but maybe 30 minutes out here at tops. So do what we can in that amount of time. So it's probably gonna be a pretty short video. At least we'll get the kick panel somewhat on and we'll finish it up next time maybe if I'm not able to get it all this time. I did do a little bit of grinding. I'll show you that. Still a lot more to do, but went ahead and painted that down there with that Weld through primer. So we got that ready. But let's just hop over there and I'll kind of show you what I've done. Alrighty, we got the Weld through primer on. I just sprayed it, so maybe it's actually dried, so we can actually put the kick panel on, which is good. Got this ground down. Turned out all right. I may go back over it in some of these spots here. Started grinding down this. It does look a lot better than it did. And we got most of this taken care of. Kind of person mentioned brazing through here. Kind of take care of that gap before I seam seal it. I'm gonna look into doing that because I just don't want to fill that full of seam sealer. And we got a hole right there I need to plug again. And I may throw a couple more tacks up through here. But and we need to go through this with the Dremel. And I don't think this is attached at all to the brace. So we'll have to, I don't know. We'll have to look at that later. But this evening, I think I got enough ground through here to put this on and not have to be on this side grinding. Measurement's still the same. It's the same as over there. It's still pretty level, side to side and back to front. And that's still pretty level too. So, anyways, we'll put the kick panel on. I think I'm just gonna clamp it different spots, and we'll at least get the screws in, some welds down here, some welds up here, and maybe some right through here and a couple here. I may try to get back here a little bit and some through here. We'll get as much as we can. Like I said, I don't got very long out here. It's about time we start putting this back on. And, We got more than I thought we could get done, but this is all tacked together up here, which is pretty strong. And of course we got more ugly welds. Got to do another one and kind of finish this one out a little bit here. These are all pretty good, I think. Had to do 3 right here to push this in just a bit to make it touch the firewall back here. And these all went in okay. Some of these just had a little bit of sliver on them. Like that one we missed completely. But it doesn't move at all. This needs to be probably hammered in a little bit. May put another screw through it somewhere, in a couple right here to suck it in, and then tack it again. I think I just got it too hot and it kind of warped. But we have our correct measurement still from here to here, and it's pretty square against the inner fender to the floor, and everything's level, so I think we got it in the right place. I am gonna hammer this down over this a bit more, since this piece didn't raise up as much as the other one. So we can do that next time. And then we got all those right there to get filled in, as well as these right here. But I think we can handle that. But yeah, everything is tied in pretty good. I'm gonna leave the jack on it for now until we get that side welded up, till we get everything welded up basically. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And there's the, oh, my phone fell. So the inside looks like we got a little bit of gap still, but I think we can get that with some seam sealer. It's starting to look like a Bronco. There it is. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. I wasn't out here very long, but I got the kick panel in. I think it fits pretty good. I really don't want to take that back out, but everything seems to line up. And we got our measurements, it's level and square, so it should be in the right place. If not, it's really close. So next time we'll do the inner welds on the fender to the kick panel, and on the inside, where am I? Inside here, down a little bit on the inner firewall. Just kind of hit those and make sure they're, you know, pretty good up through there. I may address that gap in that hole and maybe put a couple more spot welds down here, or I guess it would be plug welds now. And then we got to get this back portion stitched up too as well, and do a couple spot welds back there. After we get that done on the kick panel, we're going to drop the jack and turn it around. So it's looking like next week we'll be looking at the driver's side. But anyways, I'm pretty happy how it's going. I feel good. Never dreamed I'd be this far into it. Yeah, I'm excited to get this buttoned up. If you like what you see, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hopefully this one comes out Friday, today, the 16th. It'll be out either late tonight or probably early in the morning, but we'll be out. Again, thank you for watching. It does really help the channel out, and thank you to new subscribers. It means a lot to me. We're plucking away at this. We'll get this buttoned up and start on the driver's side. Then, like I say, we'll take the body off the frame. Hopefully put the body right here, and all this stuff will be gone. Anyways, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Use something on the Bronco. Like I say, you need to turn over the Healy and start the Camaro. But thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.